how to sign up to SproutGigs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can sign up on SproutGigs. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up your preferred browser, head to the search bar, there type in SproutGigs. From your search results, navigate to the first link on the interface, that is sproutgigs.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to sign up, navigate to top right corner, click on sign up button. You'll be taken into sign up prompt. Here, you have to fill in the details such as your first name and your last name. Type in your first name. Next to that, type in your last name. Under that, enter or create a nickname. And on next to that, enter your email address. Once you're done with that, create a password. And again confirm your password. Under that, select your country. Click on this drop down and here select or search for your country and then select your country. Now you have to select your profile type. If you are a freelancer, select the first option. If you are a buyer, select the second option. Now click on this terms and agreements. Once you're done, now click on sign up. After that, it says almost there. Confirm your email and be the part of community. Now you will receive an email from SproutGigs. So open up Gmail, verify your email. Once you're verified, go to the login page, enter your login credential, and after you are verified, you'll be logged in into your SproutGigs account. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.